Hello everybody, welcome to this week's edition of the Inside Oil and Gas. My name is Jay Young, CEO, founder of King Operating Corporation, and what I'd like to do this week is talk about the three extraordinary aspects that I think are very important for people out there that want to learn more about energy and how can they profit in their portfolios. Let's talk about supply and demand. This is the U.S. production. This is what's going on. We were up to over 13 million barrels a day in production at one time before the COVID happened. All of a sudden, COVID came, just like everything else. Price went down, but also the production went down. Why did production go down? Well, we shut off wells, we quit drilling, and so forth. So you saw from 13,600,000 barrels a day to 10,700,000 barrels a day last week. So you're seeing production go down. Now, let me tell you something else, because people are like, well, when we get back to normal and demand goes down because of the next wave, we're going to see you're not going to need as much oil. Yeah, well, let me tell you something. You're not going to have it because rig count's also down. When rig count's down and you can't make any new oil, you're going to see oil prices go up. So that's important, is that you're going to see oil prices go up. I mean, it's just like what JP Morgan says. They're the ones that said oil prices could go negative. Negative prices back in March. Now they're saying that oil prices could go to $190 a barrel. That's phenomenal. I mean, they're saying all this. They're saying the reality is the chance of oil going toward 100 at this point are higher than 3 months ago. The investment bank predicted that oil will reach $190 per barrel in 2025. It's amazing. What's going to happen to the price of oil? And the most important thing is, where are you on the price of oil? How can you benefit the most about the price of oil? Well, let's see. Remember, we're raising the $50 million in our oil and gas fund for our project right now, and we're going to deploy all that capital, put it to work, go out there and drill wells. We got 17 wells. We're going to put that to work, and then at $40 a barrel, at the end of next year, the asset at $40 a barrel is worth $80 million. At 60, it's worth $115 million. Same production, same asset, same everything, but you put a price of $60 a barrel, like you real estate guys. What is it per square foot? What is it per door? What is it, that kind of thing. This is our market. This is our bench. If we're at $60 a barrel, that asset's worth $115 million. But get this, if oil goes to 100, I'm not saying it will, but I'm just saying if it does, you're going to see that asset worth $186 million. It's worth $100 million more dollars to you investors just because of the price of oil. So if you're a believer like I am and you feel like that oil prices are going up, man, today is the way to take advantage of it. Today is the best time to take advantage of it. Now, also, it's not too early to think about your taxes. It is not too early to think about how can you benefit tax-wise. And look at this. If you do not invest in oil and gas, you're at $500,000 income, you're 37% tax is $185,000. That's how much money you pay in taxes. If you're making $500,000 and you're investing some money in oil and gas, you pay $111,000. $74,000 less money in taxes, which decreases your cost basis in this program, in your oil and gas program, so you're making money. And that's what people like. People like paying less money in taxes. The Hunts, the Joneses, all the people, they love the tax benefits of oil and gas. Now, everybody, I wrote a book. It's called The Upside of Oil and Gas Investing. I wrote it for you because I wanted you to know that there is a different way to invest in oil and gas. A different way, not the wellbore side, we're doing the asset side. I wrote about it in the book along with my family that's been in the oil and gas business for over 100 years. That's in this book by Forbes. But what I'm doing is all the proceeds from the book will go to 22 Kill. Now, what is 22 Kill? There's 22 veterans a day that commit suicide in the United States. 22 a day. And that's the only ones we know about. So what are we doing? We're going to donate money from Upside of Oil and Gas Investing book sales. Go on Apple, go anywhere, and donate and all the proceeds will go into 22 Kill. Or you can just go to 22kill.com and donate money to them. If you already have my book, go to them and donate money. Like my page on Facebook. We have the Jay Young Show. I've got a lot of great people that I have interviewed there, and I'm really excited about that. Catch my podcast on Facebook or on my webpage, thejayyoungshow.com. Go on there and like me on Facebook or on YouTube. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great weekend. We'll be back next week. Thank you.